So the skills we're going to be focusing on in EPICs are open-ended problem-solving skills, effective teamwork skills, and a variety of communication skills. And we know a lot of you are really good at some of these things. But these are skills that you get better at and better at through your life. And so our goal is to meet you where you are and get you further on down that path. So we have a really cool project this semester, and your instincts might be to want to solve it in the very first week, but we will not let you solve it in the very first week. And that's because open-ended problems, they have dozens, if not hundreds of solutions. And you need to take time to understand the problem fully before you start to solve it. And so what that means in this class is that you won't start solving the problem probably until week 7 or 8. And so in the meantime, you'll be learning open-ended problem-solving techniques, you'll be learning about stakeholder engagement, you'll be learning all these things. This phenomenon is going to be a little exaggerated in EPICS 1 because in addition to taking that time of understanding the problem, we're also going to be teaching you a lot of content on open-ended problem-solving skills. So enjoy that, try not to be frustrated by it, and by week 8 or 9, you will be neck deep and you'll hit the ground running, you'll be solving that problem and having a lot of fun doing it. We will be placing you into teams, as you know, and the most efficient way to get through this class and pass all the other ones will be to divide and conquer and figure out who has what strengths and to leverage those strengths. And that's a great model, and it's also a great model for the work environment where you'll be rewarded for operating that way. However, pause to consider also that this class is a wonderful place to learn skills that you don't know, such as prototyping skills, such as SolidWorks skills, or putting papers together. If you're already a pro at these things, that's awesome. Take some time to teach your teammates and you'll learn a ton more. If you're not already a pro, use this class to learn those skills, even if it's less efficient than it would be if your other teammates did it. So what you'll get by wading through this open-ended problem for weeks before you begin to solve it is a certain amount of comfort with ambiguity. And recruiters want you to have this. They've told me countless times when I've asked them what they want our graduates to have. Another top answer to this question is they want you to be able to participate in civil discourse. And that's a polite way of saying they want you to argue with your teammates and be able to question them politely. So it's another efficiency question, right? It's going to take a lot faster if you don't argue with each other and you go with the top answer from the team. However, by taking some time to question each other and debate various matters, you'll get better at it. And so do that and also embrace that ambiguity that we're going to sling your way this semester. So this class isn't necessarily about the solution your team comes up with. It's really all about your learning process, and that's actually what you're going to be graded on, is your learning process. But this class should be fun. It should be the most fun you have your freshman year. So enjoy it. Enjoy the SolidWorks, enjoy working with your team, enjoy building your prototypes, and have a great semester.